Wow, my people, me there again, Manners and respect to each and every one. My people. Let me start off here with an update about a man who you can see in a video kicking a woman repeatedly. Now, I got information that that man somehow had been arrested by police and that the man appeared before the court, viewers and subscribers. It is said that the man appeared before the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court on Friday after being charged for the incident. So that man, according to information that I got, was remanded for sentencing within the month of March this year, 2023. See, it is said that the man is in his 30s, viewers and subscribers. And it is said that the man was ordered to pay $250,000 in restitution. It is said that the man who was recorded assaulting the woman with whom he reportedly shares a child, viewers and subscribers, is also before the court for another case that is going to happen within the month of January. See? Yeah, it is said that the same man is also before the court in relation to another case, viewers and subscribers. Now, on to another topic now, my people. Now, my people, we get information that a person who some people call DJ Kentucky had been arrested following allegations that he raped a 12-year-old student from a certain school. Now, my people, let me tell you something. See, me not defend no one. But when it comes down to these kind of situations, it's good to just look, observe, and then whatsoever evidence come forward, then we can work with that. Now, I got information that DJ Kentucky had been taken into police custody. According to police, and I'm going to say allegedly, right? I don't want anybody to say me say. So allegedly, it is said that the student or the alleged girl asked DJ Kentucky to assist her to purchase a birthday gift for her mother. Allegedly, it is said that he told her to come to his house for the money. Again, may I say allegedly. So it is alleged that DJ Kentucky then held the child while she was at his home and forced her to have sex. Allegedly, my people, see? So allegedly, it is said that he dropped off the child at a certain location in his motor vehicle, viewers and subscribers, and allegedly, it is said that the child reported the incident to her parents. So subsequently and allegedly, it is said that a report was made to the police, and the person who goes by the name of DJ Kentucky was arrested by police. And when it comes down to a situation like this, most likely lawyer will get involved somehow. You see me I say? So it is said that he was subsequently questioned and subsequently charged, viewers and subscribers. And DJ Kentucky is a popular selector when it comes on to dancehall scene and all them things that my people see. So we get the information them, I'm just tell them as well me get them. Next topic. Now, by now, some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might have seen pieces of videos circulating on social media about this whole fraud thing involving Stocks and Securities Limited, viewers and subscribers. That's the SSL. See me? Yeah, you might have seen a video that shows a person using a walker and all them things there. You know what I mean? Well, let me see if I can give you some information about the whole situation or some things that happened on that day then. See? So listen. Now, I got information that police searched 2 premises in the corporate area that they believe are somewhat connected to suspect Jean and Pantan, and seized the documents as well as electronic devices. Yeah, my people, I'm talking about the investigation into large amount of money or the whole fraud thing when it comes on to stocks and the securities limited, viewers and subscribers. See it? Just to make it clear by saying that again. So, according to more information that I got, it is said that investigators said that the documents and devices will be thoroughly analyzed, and other things had been said about that part of the whole situation, viewers and subscribers. So it is said that a police superintendent to talk about the whole situation, viewers and subscribers, basically saying that the investigation is like a puzzle. You know, when you look at one piece, then another piece take you to another location. And she went on to say that it is likely that there will be other searches relative to the investigation. And that she said that what I can tell you is that she was in a wheelchair during the search, but I can't speak to her health. That sounds like a mistake. I think that would be of her health in my point of view. And that the superintendent said, as far as we know, this is her home. And other things as well, viewers and subscribers. It is also said that the superintendent said that she was not arrested, but as it relates to charges, that will be determined by FID and the fraud squad, and will also be determined by the evidence they uncover in the searches and other parts of the investigation, viewers and subscribers. So may I say, oh, and the police superintendent that they said certain things goes by the name of Stephanie Lindsay, and it is said that she talk about Jean and Panton and the whole SSL fraud situation. So the superintendent mentioned the wheelchair, viewers and subscribers. You may I say, remember, I mentioned about pieces of videos on social media. Well, one of those videos actually shows a person in a wheelchair, don't it? And based on the information here, when me give, I think you might have an understanding who is that person by now. You see what I say? Anyway, so according to more things that had been said about this whole situation, it is said that the superintendent also said that it is a large investigation and this is just one part and there are other parts, and at the end of the day they are trying to get as much evidence as possible to see how they proceed next and all them things there. So my people, so it is said that the police superintendent basically said some more things about the whole situation and said that they are not going to rush into any part of the process, viewers and subscribers. And she said that you are going to ensure that you have all the evidence to put before the court. I didn't get from the investigators whether other suspects are on the radar, and that she added that Panton has been cooperating with police, viewers and subscribers. So yeah, I hear them that's sitting there. So may I say, my people, let me refresh your memory. May I talk about the whole situation where it is said that some fraud thing won a SSL. This whole thing that involves Usain Bolt, because he somehow find out that a whole heap of money, in my point of view, missing from an account that belongs to Usain Bolt. And this whole thing, they're all over on social media. So may I say, and Usain Bolt is not the only person who is a victim when it comes on to this whole situation, viewers and subscribers, or this whole fraud thing. Alright, so on to another topic. Now, when it comes on to this whole thing where it is said that a man who is said to be a United Kingdom resident and also had been shot and killed in Jamaica, your viewers and subscribers, well, according to information that I got, and I'm going to say allegedly, see it is said that Manchester police are theorizing that the man might have been shot and killed because of land dispute that might have been going on for years. My people, notice me say alleged, you know, saying, because I theorize, them say police theorize this. It is not proven to my knowledge. See? So allegedly, it is said that police theorize that the man might have been shot and killed over land dispute and also houses dispute that had been going on for years, viewers and subscribers. Allegedly. Alright? So it is said that the man who goes by the last name of Brown was killed while he was at a premises or at a house, viewers and subscribers, and May I give some more information pertaining to that the situation, them people. It is said that the man was killed a certain amount of time after his mother was put to rest. So based on information that I got, viewers and subscribers, it is said that police said that at one point they had to intervene in a domestic dispute between family members or relatives, then of viewers and subscribers, and that all necessary actions were taken and persons was warned and so forth. However, it is said that it seems as if the police intervention wasn't enough, viewers and subscribers, because the person who is said to be a UK resident was somehow killed. It is said that police also said that on Thursday, 2 of Brown's relatives were taken into police custody, and those 2 persons, or those 2 relatives, were persons of interest, viewers and subscribers. See? And that at least one person point out a certain part of land and so forth and say that the whole of here is family property and him mother him come bury. We no see no sign of forced entry, meaning to the room where the person stay, and in him bed he was killed. So it is said that a family member said that, no, viewers and subscribers, see it? And that the relative pointed to houses on a certain property, viewers and subscribers, and claimed that the structures were a part of the problem pertaining to certain things that happen, viewers and subscribers. It's really and truly sad. Because when it comes to land and house, my people, we come here and see land and we're going to go and left it same way. So really and truly, if at that cause all of this happen, it's sad, man. It's sad, it's really sad. So it is said that a relative said that Brown's mother suffered during the dispute of viewers and subscribers and other things as well. You see? I have some left it. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.